Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to get approved for a Novo account. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably wondering about this, because Novo is a really popular business banking platform. And, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to save time and money. So, I decided to do some research and find out how long it takes to get approved for a Novo account. And I'm happy to report that it's actually a pretty quick and easy process. In order to get approved for a Novo account, you will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. This includes your name, business name, address, phone number, and email address. You will also need to provide your social security number and your business's EIN number. Once you have submitted your application, Novo will review it and make a decision on whether or not to approve you for an account. This usually takes about 1 to 2 business days. If you are approved for an account, you will be able to start using Novo immediately. You will be able to deposit and withdraw money, transfer funds between accounts, and make payments to vendors. Here are some tips for getting approved for a Novo account. Make sure that you have all of the required information ready before you apply. Be sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Be patient. It may take a few days for Novo to review your application. Once you have been approved for a Novo account, you will need to set up your account. This is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. Once you have set up your account, you will be able to start using Novo. Here are some of the benefits of using Novo. Novo is free to use. Novo offers a variety of features, including mobile banking, online banking, and check writing. Novo is a secure and reliable banking platform. Overall, I think that Novo is a great option for business banking. It is a free, easy-to-use, and secure platform that offers a variety of features. If you are looking for a new business banking platform, I highly recommend giving Novo a try. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.